So on the Unit 2 test, the first learning target said to generate a recursive formula that models a context. So it asked you to write a recursive routine that models each sequence or context. It's important, first of all, to notice that there are two different things going on here. These are two separate problems. One is just this sequence of numbers, and one is this scenario. So I'm going to write two different recursive routines, one for each of these. A recursive routine, always, always, always in this class, you begin with the words start with, because you're telling somebody how to recreate this sequence. So start with -10. Then, where do we go from here? We take the previous answer, so ANS, and this was changed on the test to 22. And every time we go from one to the other, we're adding 8. And I can check, again, because I did fix this one on your test, it's adding 8 every time, so take the previous answer and add 8. That's my recursive routine. Start with -10, then answer plus 8. In this scenario, I have to figure out what my starting value is, so start with, well, it says it's currently worth $7,200, so start with 7,200, because if I were going to create a sequence of numbers like this, it would start with the term 7,200. Then, ANS, well, it's losing value, so it's got to be ANS minus something, because it's going to be worth less than 7,200, and it's losing value at $400 a year. It wants me to write the recursive routine for each year, so take the previous answer and subtract 400. That's learning target 1 on the Unit 2 test.